Hey, it's a lovely Friday evening. Let's cook some chicken with some dumplings. Yeah, so first we're gonna wash the chicken, wash it properly. Use some vinegar to wash it, get rid of the rawness. You can use a little lime also, or use both, right? That's what I'm doing, right? So wash it up, get rid of the rawness, and so that it is nice and fresh. I don't like when fat is on my chicken, so I skin it off, yeah, and wash it again. So add my little seasoning now, my Maggi chicken seasoning. Yes, nice and pretty. Then I add a little chicken seasoning also, right? Because my love, my thing of seasoning pan it, yeah? You can add a little pepper on it, add a little tubs of salt, rub it up nicely so it, all of the seasoning can go underneath the skin. Put your oil in your pot, throw garlic in there, bam, 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 I saw where I drop the chicken, bam, I saw where I drop the chicken, bam, bam, bam. Yeah, chicken leg for days. All right, so we fry the chicken now. Yeah, just get it the golden on the outside and a little bit of crisp on it. Look there, nice, nice. Then we're gonna cook this down, cause I wanna eat it. So cut up the seasoning, then bam, onion, sweet pepper, tomato. We have thyme. Yeah, we are cut them up nicely, and then we're gonna throw them in the frying pot and deal with them. Saute that down. So stay tuned. What you do now? We add browning for little coloring. Wow, that rhyme, Then we're gonna have a little what is this? Sweet chili, yeah. Little barbecue sauce, just a little bit because it's well strong, yeah. Ketchup, or again, sugar, same so. And then we're gonna add a little ginger. Good, cause the chicken feel nice and spicy up. And then we're gonna make that go and settle down a little bit before we drop in the chicken them. Could they, that nice, that nice. Yeah, people, you should have smelled this. Yeah, dumpling time, banana time, yam time, add a little lime. Cause I want the water for blacky. Peel the banana, then my husband I do that. Me can't peel banana good, me sorry. Yeah, so banana peel, yam I get cut up, and then guess what me I go do? Me I go deal with the dumpling them. So watch out. Drop them in there right? Flour time. We're gonna deal with the flour now. So watch out. We're gonna put like a music on so you can see what I got. Make sure not add on the salt. Yeah, and guess what me do? Me use cold water with me and make my flour. Alright, cause I don't know when me use the tap water, regular tap water, room temperature, it not too come out too nice, right? But yeah, watch out. No music. Let's fast movement. Flour need up. Look there, you see, look here, we say no need flour. Make sure the container no nasty and just look messy. Clean up the entire thing. Cover it up, make it set for a little while. Then bam, so look there. Look on texture. But say the baby want peace too. I always give him peace if we make him dumpling them. Yeah, we make the dumpling them. Dumpling are for neat. I don't like big cat real ugly shaping dumpling. Neat little dumpling. That's how we do it. Yeah, watch ya. Press it out flat. We don't like the big puffy dumpling. We come like pillar. You understand? Our cushion dumpling for neat, flat, and sexy. In the plate now. In the plate. Two dumpling. I just do this for I don't want to know say 4 dumpling me eat. 2 piece of leg, 3 me they really eat. Wow, nice thick gravy. It look good here. Talk short. Comment. Subscribe people.